dependent events. We have gone through the independent events. Now for the dependent events. Now, first of all, a definition. Two events are said to be dependent if the occurrence or non-occurrence, if the occurrence or non-occurrence of the one event if the occurrence and non-occurrence of the one event in any trial affects the probability of the other subsequent trial. Now, if you remember, in the independent event, it was if the occurrence or a non-occurrence of any one event does not affect the trial of the other event. Here, if it affects, then it is called a dependent event. Now, if the occurrence of one event affects the happening of the other event, then they are said to be dependent events. Now, for the independent event, what we have done it, if we are having probability for two events, E and F are the two events, and E and F is equal to probability for E times probability for F, then this is independent event. But if probability for E and F is not equal to probability for E times probability for F, then it is dependent event. This is whole about dependent event.